Hey kids! Welcome back to my channel. Learn cooking verbs. Break. Break egg. Add. Add some sugar in tea. Pour. Pour water in flour. Mix. Mix the spices. Sauté. Sauté the onions in olive oil. Chop. Please chop the vegetables into small pieces. Cut. Cut the chicken. Slice. Slice the tomatoes for the sandwich. Grate. Please grate the carrot. Fry. Fry the fish until it is crispy. Bake. Bake the cake for 30 minutes. Roast. Roast the leg piece. Steam. Steam the broccoli until it is bright green. Peel. Please peel the carrots before we chop them. Roll out. Roll out the dough until it's thin. Layer. Layer the sandwich with slices. Boil. Boil the eggs for 10 minutes. Thanks for joining.